Good morning, retail traders. It's 2:24 here in Missouri a.m. and I'm up and at it looking at the great trades of the day. Now, I'm going to say Tesla's probably got its first competition out there. That's going to be the nice F-150 Lightning. And they're going to start production of this automobile. And I really think it's going to be a seller. Their trucks are a great seller. People are going to flock to buy this truck, the 1%. So I guarantee it. Now, Cyber's a truck that you want to look into the future. Right now, by the time, I say 2 or 3 years from now, the Cyber truck will be something to look at. But for right now, as of day, that's the way I'm looking at Ford. I think it's going to be some good competition to raise this price up. And I do have some price targets that I want to talk about. And I'm still bullish on my number one pick, which is Tesla. But that's Cybertruck. And then you got the Ford, the Lightning truck. And we're going to go ahead and pull up the charts. The news that came out more or less yesterday pushing Ford up. And everybody's talking about it. Everybody likes the Ford. And that's the electric truck. So keep that in mind. This thing really has some good momentum, and people are very bullish on it. Tesla, it'll always get criticism as it hits new time highs. You'll start seeing negativity about Tesla come in, so they'll try to bring the stock down. I always see it in the headlines. I mean, just the other day, everybody was frantic. It's going to 1,400. It's going to do this. It's going to do that. I love Tesla, but don't get caught up in the hype. Read the charts. The charts will tell you everything. People get stuck in these trades because Jim Cramer comes out or somebody comes out, some analyst on CNBC. Because the production was so good, and they hit their numbers, and I'm ecstatic about it. But I was static about it when it was at $900, not at $1,200. So that's my double top exit strategy for now. I want to see it pull back. But I'm very bullish on Tesla. So we're going to go ahead and pull up both charts. We're going to do both of them here. I don't want to use this one. We'll find us another one here. Take that one off. This is a TTM chart that I trade with. The link is down below. I'll also share the link of that the Tesla truck down below in the content. You'll be able to see that. The Ford truck. So let's go ahead and look at the time frame here on the 20-day. I've got a little box down here I want to take this trade to, and that's Tesla. So I want to see 1073 hold. If that doesn't hold, we can probably get to a strong buy, no lower than 1,000. That's where I want it to hold. We could dip down more, but I'm very bullish on this trade. So we're going to see if we can get it down to the support box, and if that holds, that's no lower than 1073. And if that doesn't hold, we'll get it down to this other channel, and that's no lower than 1,000. That's going to be Tesla. And I'm bullish on this trade, and I scalp it every day almost, and hold a core position, and I sold it. So we got F. This is called irrational exuberance. So don't get caught up into that exuberance. Now this stock long is going to be very good, so any kind of pullback will be great for this stock. Somewhere right around $23 range. If it can pull back to that, $23.26, to that second candle, or maybe this first one, for a low support at $22.50. The resistance to breaks can be the $24.50, and then you can take this long to 30 and 35 into 2022. Strong buy if it dips down to 21.58. Those are your three supports. Resistance to break 24.50. So keep a good eye. The volume's going to be very high on this, and there's going to be a lot of people. So any kind of knife, if it pulls back sharply, especially if you spot 3 black crows or a double bottom in the day chart, you might take a good look at it. But if it breaks 2450 and goes up, that 2450 will now become support. So that's it. I wish everybody a great trading today. It's either Ford and Tesla, and Ford right now has the momentum, and it will reverse shortly. Watch the news and just don't get caught up in the hype. Right now we're overextended. Have a great day on Ford.